Oh yeah, welcome to the channel. Kid Showtime here, the hype beast bartender, and it's time to make the Watermelon Colada.
Oh, right here, the hammer. Right there. There he's there. Looking cherry.
Get your cup of ice. Bam. First, we're gonna hit it with that BuzzBallz Lotta Colada. Then a shot of Bacardi. Followed by 2 Coconut Vodkas. Boom. You can use rum if you want.
Yeet.
Here's the first one. Second. All right, then we're gonna fill it up with the Arizona watermelon. All right, time to shake it up. All right, time to get lit, y'all. Wow, that's really good, y'all. It's not very sweet at all, y'all, but this is Ono. This is delicious. This is something you can just chill out under the sun and just get faded, y'all. If you want something that's not too sweet, this is it, y'all. This will definitely get you lit. To the next, bro, B. Boozing time, baby. Aw, yeah.